Hi! Welcome to UBIX Colleges, formerly known as UBIX Institute of Technology Incorporated. I love UBIX Colleges. Upon entry, you can see here the grassland. The grassland where our students are playing different sports like badminton, volleyball.
Throw it and drive. With the radio up so loud they can hear us from now.
So our next stop is our Learning Resource Center. Let's go. I'm gonna tour you here in our library. And in our library, here are the students. They are reading, playing board games. They are learning actually. Researching is one of the very important thing that they do here in our library. Meron ditong mga areas, maraming mga books, available books. Ayan, mga students na nandito sa loob. And the office of the librarian ay nasa gilid naman. We have map of the Philippines and the other resources. Okay, next is our lecture room. Come on, let's visit our lecture room.
So what is marketing? Marketing
And for now, there is an ongoing class. In this class, we have a lot of students.
Good afternoon. UBIX Colleges is a 20-year-old institution. Our mission is to produce graduates with competency, develop their excellence and services. We are formerly known as UBIX Institute of Technology, and we are very proud to become an affiliate of the UBIX Corporation. Our varsity program is the first in the history of this institution. So because of NIFA, we have decided to create a team that will showcase our students' talents, particularly in the athletic.
So we also have sa coaching staff po namin si Coach John Gabriel Dungo and Coach Jomar Cruz. Coach Gab is handling our athletic program sa UBIX Colleges. Si Coach Jomar naman po is doing logistics and utilities for our school and for the varsity program. So yung players po namin, it's a mix of students and also players that we know who are determined to play and mag-aral at the same time, because this is the first time na gumawa po ang school ng varsity program. Ito yung first time din nila na mag-offer ng 100% scholarship to students. Such an honor and privilege for the students, kaya talagang yung determination na lang ng mga bata, ng mga players sa training, everyday training, and then also sa games namin sa NIFA. So isa sa mga struggles namin actually is wala kaming facilities sa UBIX Colleges, so we don't really have a basketball gym, a basketball court, wala kaming weights room. Talagang pinaghirapan ng coaching staff ng UBIX Colleges, especially Coach Gab and Coach Jomar, na talagang buuin kung ano yung mga kailangan para at least maging competitive yung team namin.
Nagtamag, kaya ba natin makapag-produce ng mga varsity player na magko-compete sa NIFA? So sabi ko, yes doc, possible naman, kasi some of the students na nakita ko naman na naglalaro dito sa area namin, may mga height din naman talaga. So siguro kulang lang talaga sila sa assistance, and then nagpa-tryout din kami almost 1 month na tuloy-tuloy yung tryout. Nag-aagilap talaga kami ng mga potential players na pwede namin ma-recruit or pwede namin i-line up dun sa dating na NIFA. So sa awa ng Diyos, nakapag-final lang kami ng 18 players.
Hello po, I'm Ryan Joshua Dimander po from UBICS Basketball Colleges. Unang-una po sa lahat, nagpapasalamat po sa management namin, coaches, and sa kay Doc, Noel, Kernel, kay Coach Amos, kay Coach Gab, dahil binigyan niyo po kami ng opportunity na makapaglaro sa iba't ibang liga, mga exposure, mabigyan ng full scholarship sa school at mapalibre po yung pag-aaral namin.
I'm Rodel Busante from UBICS. Unang-una nagpapasalamat po ako sa bumubuo ng UBICS kila Dr. Noel Serio, Colonel, kila Coach Amo, sa buong coaching staff. Maraming salamat po kasi binigyan niyo po kami ng opportunity na makapag-aral po ng libre sa UBICS. And especially po sa mga may-ari ng UBICS, thank you po. At salamat din po sa NIPA na makalaro sa mga liga na may exposure po like live sa social media.
Papasalamat po kila Doc Noel Sergio, kila Coach Amos, kila Colonel at sa lahat ng coaching staff na nabigyan po kami ng opportunity na mapaglaro ng libre at nabigyan ng scholarship. At sa NIFA po, nagpapasalamat din po kami na nabigyan kami ng magandang opportunity.
Good day po, ako pala si Reynan Tebey Gaid. Nagpapasalamat po ako unang-una kay Lord kasi binigyan niya itong opportunity na to. At nagpapasalamat din po kay Doc Noel, sa mga coaches po namin, kay Coach Gab at kay Coach Amos po na binigyan niya po itong opportunity na to. At yun nga po, minsan po hindi po kami nakapag-ensayo, gawa po nung court namin. Kung saan-saan lang din po, nalibot na po namin yung buong Amos. Makapag-ensayo lang po para po sa dadating ng mga game namin sa NIPA.
At nagpapasalamat po ako sa UBICS sa pagbibigay ng opportunity na makapag-aral ng libre sa buong management ng UBICS, lalo na po kanila Doc Noel and kay Colonel. Nagpapasalamat din ako sa NIPA dahil na-showcase namin yung skills namin. Kaming mga UBICS, kami ng mga teammates ko, kino-consider kami as underdog dahil nga po bago lang po kami, and ayun, pero dahil nga po sa UBICS, ayun, nagkasama-sama kami, nagkukulitan lamang. Tapos ayun, doon nabubuo yung chemistry namin. At kahit magkakalayo kami, dahil lang po dito, nagkakaisa kami sa basketball. Doon lang.
Ako nga po pala si Brian Beron from UBICS Colleges. Ako po si Janalan Beron from UBICS Colleges. Unang-una po, nagpapasalamat po kami kay God sa opportunity binigay niya po sa amin. At sa buong bumubuo po ng UBICS at pati na po sa NIPA, nabigyan po kami ng magandang exposure at nagkaroon po kami ng magandang opportunity para makalaro yung mga ibang school na matataas.
Advice to our people is just to love the game. You know, competing is not always winning, but you develop camaraderie and you also improve your leadership skills while competing. So since this is the first or inaugural competition, I hope that your association will grow. So congratulations once again. I hope more success in the future.